Hi, this is Karen with WTI. When I found these two amazing Safavieh collection home bistro chairs, I just fell in love with them. And they're so well made. You can notice that they put a lot of attention to detail. Another big plus is that it can go indoors or outdoors. So if I have a sunny day, I can take them out. But also the weight, they can take weight. I won't be worried or nobody will feel uncomfortable by sitting on these chairs. From the bottom, you can see that they're reinforced, so that makes them even stronger. Also, they are so versatile. I can leave them on my living room as a statement, or sometimes I'll be using it on my dining table as a extra chairs to have around whenever I have more people than what I plan. They're so beautiful. And that's my point of view.